Alright guys, so we are on our way to pick up 2F and Legit in the Pop's truck. We're gonna show you how to rebuild some wheels today. We're gonna go get those tires taken off, so we'll see you when we get to his house. Here we are pulling up. He's already got the garage door open for me. Look at this beauty. But these are the wheels that we're going to be rebuilding. So we're going to take this over to our tire shop plug and get the tires off of there. Big boy specs. Why is there a lock on there?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, oh, alright, let's get at it. The mamalona. The wheels all loaded up, ready to go. We're gonna go get the tires off of the wheels first. Then we're gonna hit Home Depot, get some sealer. California tires, straight plug. If you in Rosa and you need your shit stretched, mounted, or you just need tires, pull up here. This is the spot. Let them know Steezy Z30 and 2F and Legit sent you.
A little something's getting shipped out today.
Dropping out shipping today. Carbon plug, Jeff 350Z.
Those tires at the bottom are the ones that I ordered for you.
Bruh. Wheels are tucked inside, ready to go. Next stop, we got to Home Depot to get the sealant. Oh shit. Stupid. Fuck. Hurry up. It's not unlocking. As I was saying, next stop, Home Depot. Made it, Santa Rosa Home Depot. But yeah, this is what we're using. We're gonna use the advanced silicone to seal the wheels. How much? Oh, we cashing out today. Alright, we cashing out. Let's show everyone your card numbers. No. Okay. Alright. The man balone. Alright, fellas. Where are we going next, dude? Harbor Freight. All right, here we are. Harbor Freight. This is what we need. A torque wrench, because we need to torque down the lugs in the back so it doesn't leak.
And they need sockets.
Sockets too.
It's missing.
Discount. No, they took the 10. I'm just kidding. All right, so we're getting sockets, extensions with a swivel, and a torque wrench. We'll see you at the pad.
Fuck Goonspa.
Fuck Goonspa, you know.
Alright, we gotta close the garage.
Alright, so here's the tools that we're using to take these lips apart. 10mm on a gun, slap that right there. Then we got the torque bit for the front bolts to hold that. We got some silicone and the torque wrench, and then a blade to get rid of this silicone right here once we split it. All right. All the 10 mils. Proceed to take out all these bolts, and we're gonna gonna do that, and we're gonna do the same thing to the next one. So now that that's done, you may be thinking you can just split the wheel. But no, this bead actually creates another whole seal that kind of stops you from doing it. So what we're gonna have to do is grab the knife and physically cut it. Show them to us and try to split it right now. See, it ain't budging. It ain't budging. So what we do is we grab this and cut into it, and you kind of just go around the whole wheel on each side, all the way down to the bottom. Pull the face off.
My face.
That's good. So now that we pulled the face off, this is still stuck in there, but what you can do is you can grab like a little screwdriver and kind of pry up on here, on the little edge, and that'll let you split it easier. Alright, so the screwdriver.
There it is.
Show what the mouse
I
is.
see it.
Boom! So these wheels are not sandwiched. It looks like we place this one on first, and then you put the actual face on top of that. There's some wheels like my wheels that we did, the work equips. You have this, you place the face, and then you place the lip. So just pay attention when you pull it apart how it goes back together. You also got to remove all the remainder of this silicone that got left over from cutting it. Do it with the blade as well. Just scratch on there. All right, so here's the difference in the lips. What size is this to it?
6 inch.
And
That's a 4.5 inch.
as I was saying, yeah, you just want to kind of cut the remaining silicone off, because a clean seal is a happy seal, and you do not want your wheels to leak. After you finish taking off the seal here, just get a red Scotch-Brite and just scuff it up a little bit. It'll clean it up, and it'll let the silicone adhere better to the wheel. All right, so we got the gray Scotch-Brite out, but this is gonna get the remaining silicone off the sides, and it's gonna clean up like all the fucking dirt in there. And this ain't gonna damage the lip. All right, well, now that we cleaned it all off and we Scotch-Brited everything and it's nice and clean, what we do now is you line up all the holes. Make sure you get the valve stem one correctly. That's how you go about lining it back up. Drop every bolt back in there, and then screw a couple on, and then torque it down to spec, and we'll show you the rest. So we're putting all the bolts back in one by one. This is how you want to do it. So once that's done, you can remove this from here, make some room. Now stand up the wheel. Now you grab these bad boys and go to work. All right, so now that all the bolts are hand tight, we are going to torque them down to 15 foot-pounds with a torque wrench, starting at one end, and then we're gonna do the star pattern all around. And once we torque one down, we're gonna mark it and move on to the next one, so we know we got all of them. And that's the process we're gonna continue on that wheel. We'll throw the sealant on afterwards. All right, so what we did was we marked every one as we were going by and torquing them down. 15 foot-pounds, and if you don't know how to use a torque wrench, it's just like a regular wrench, but this one makes a sound when you reach to that certain foot-pounds. Hear that? That's what you want to hear, and that means it's good. So now this wheel is ready to be sealed, but we're gonna go ahead and torque that one down first, and then we'll knock them both out. All right, so in order to apply the silicone well, we are taping up the lip, so once we get it all in there, we can get a nice clean nice clean edge. So let me show you how it's done on this side. Stick it on, pretty self-explanatory. And that's it. Now you just want to kind of go around it, make sure it's all stuck on there. And then here, we don't want a crooked line, so well, 12 that's as good as it's gonna get. Alright, that's that. And so now we can go ahead and grab our silicone. We're gonna cut a little bit of the silicone and put it in our fancy gun. And
It's got a name for it.
push. But you'll see that right now. Alright, so remember to poke a hole in there, and then now we can go ahead and put silicone. Be sure to put pressure so it seeps down in there. Now take off the tape. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for this to dry for 24 hours before we put the tires on. But yeah, let's finish up and do that one. So this is the second wheel. All right, check her out. Well, I guess you will hear from us tomorrow when we go mount these wheels or mount the tires on the wheel. All right, we're back. And as you can tell, this baby's dry. So we're gonna go to California Tires and see if it doesn't leak. Isn't that right?
Yes.
We're also taking mine to get some tires put on. So yeah. You see 2F's Team Pepsi. I'm Team Coke. Damn. Only 2F's wheels are making mine look like little boy wheels.
If you don't got this watch right here, you a little boy to me.
But yeah, we'll see you at the shop. Well, fellas, we put it in the sun. Hopefully the rubber loosens up a little bit so it can stretch. I feel like it's a time bomb right now because it's filled up. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna do mine. We're gonna do mine. So those wheels were a no-go, 265s. 2F's mad over there. Mine ended up working. We got 225s on an 11. That's what the stretch looks like. If you guys don't know, this is going on the Q50. But no, 2F, no. He's fucking crying. We'll see tomorrow. He's supposed to get the 275s for 2F, and he's gonna try them on. So I'll probably put it in the vlog. We'll see what's up. Here it is. 275, 35, 19. Now this is some meat. This is some fucking meat, all right. We're about to see how they fit. We're about to see if they fit.
They better fit.
Thank you. I'll see you guys
Thank
later.
you. California Tires. Come for the tire stretch. out mark right now. You got a welded diff for not 2Fing or what?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, come on, man.
All right, let's offload those babies and see if my calculations were correct.
George upstairs.
That bitch is a heavy one.
No, it is.
This car's gonna be slower. So a moment of truth. Will they fit? What?
It's the same.
That's it?
No.
You could go more.
No, I know I can.
Fit like a charm.
Yup. Oh, this shit got
They fit and I don't hear any leak. So that's how you rebuild 3-piece wheels. Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
like, comment, subscribe.
You heard it here first. Follow my boy on Instagram.